Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of laws of motion. The question here is a force acts for 10 seconds on a body of mass 10 kg after which force ceases and the body describes 50 meter in next 5 seconds. Find the magnitude of force. So first of all we see what is given to us. Given force acts for 10 seconds. Mass of body is 10 kg. Distance is 50 meter after force ceases in time 5 seconds. Now we see solution for this question. Solution. Here we have to calculate force for force is mass into acceleration. But to calculate acceleration, when the force stops, velocity is given by when force stops, motion is uniform. Motion is uniform. Therefore, velocity is distance upon time. So velocity is 50 upon 5, that is equals to 10 meter per second. Now, this velocity comes when force stops. So accelerated motion is for 10 seconds. Now we have to calculate acceleration. Acceleration is v minus u upon t. Since initially the body was at rest, so this comes out to be 10 minus 0 upon 10. Therefore, the value of acceleration comes out to be 1 meter per second square. Therefore, force is equals to mass into acceleration. Mass is 10 kg, acceleration is 1, that is equals to 10 Newton. So now we write the answer of this question. Force that was acting on body, that was acting on a body is equals to 10 Newton. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.